Many gardeners encounter this issue during plant growth. This situation is sometimes related to Reti thrips syriacus. Common indications include thrips suck sap from the leaves of the host plant, causing leaf drop and wrinkling. Silvery patches appear on the leaves as a result of thrips using their mouth parts to puncture the leaves and suck sap. In thrips feeding areas, the fruit turns grey. In heavily infested plants, the fruit looks unsightly and does not develop normally. It often develops under certain conditions, such as the damage mentioned above is due to adult thrips and their larvae, nymphs, feeding by sucking plant sap. Thrips hatch from eggs and develop by actively foraging throughout 2 larval stages. When mature, female thrips are about 1.4 to 1.5 centimetres long, while males are about 1.3 centimetres long. They are dark to blackish brown in colour. The larvae hatch from eggs and begin feeding almost immediately, usually in groups. Newly mature thrips are slightly smaller and lighter in colour. Thrips feed on the underside of leaves, and, when heavily infested, the upper surface of leaves is also attacked, especially during cooler months. In warmer weather, the thrips life cycle from egg to adult can be completed in a short 2 weeks. Natural remedies that may help include introducing natural predators of this pest to the vineyard, such as the predatory stink bug Geocorus ochropteris and the red spider mite Metasailus occidentalis, predatory insects. Predatory insects, green-veined beetles, pirate beetles, and other phytosaid insects can contribute to controlling this sap-sucking thrips. If the condition continues to spread, some treatments may involve. Always consider using a combination of preventative measures and biological treatments, if applicable. Pesticides are unlikely to effectively control thrips, partly due to their mobility, feeding habits, egg protection, and pupal stages, the developmental stages in the insect's life cycle characterized by morphological changes from larval to adult. Pesticides used in some parts of the world include dimethoate and bifenthrin. Products derived from the bacterium spinosad are considered organic control tools for this pest. At all times, adhere to your local pest management regulations. For better prevention in the future, avoid planting crops susceptible to this pest. Regular and periodic monitoring of thrips populations in the garden and controlling weeds that serve as alternative host plants for thrips around the garden are crucial. Plant trees that are well adapted to the site conditions. Apply appropriate plant care practices to help trees maintain vitality and increase their resistance to thrips damage. Adequate watering and avoiding excessive nitrogen fertilization can promote thrips populations. The key point is that silvery patches appear on leaves and fruit. Small, shiny grey and black spots, insect droppings, appear on the leaves. For more plant care tips, consider following this channel.